Hello everyone, I am Zayniddinov Ibrohim and today I am going to talk about 7 advanced Rome technologies. I want to talk about the Roman technology stack. Now, Hero of Alexandria. Hero of Alexandria is a founder of all technologies and creator of all technologies that I will be mentioning in this presentation. He lived in 1st century and he lived in Alexandria, a city in the Roman Empire, and his specializations were mechanics, pneumatics, and automation. He designed 7 technologies that are fundamental blueprints of modern technologies before 1800 years. The first iterations of mechanical automation, automated temple doors, input, priest lights fire on the altar, process, heat expands trapped air, pressure pushes water into a hidden container, increased weight drops the container, attached ropes spin 2 underground poles, output, heavy bronze doors swing open without human touch, reset loop, fire cools, negative pressure returns water, doors close. And now next invention is holy water vending machine. Input is a coin that drops into the jar. The process is coin lands on a counterweight pan. The weight tilts a lever. Valve is pulled open. Output holy water or wine pours. Reset loop, coin slides off the titled pan. Valve snaps shut. Flow stops. The common things between these inventions are they can run forward and backward. And third invention is a mid-industrial revolution, a steam engine. The output steam enters a hollow metal sphere and is forced out through 2 opposing nozzles, causing the sphere to rapidly spin. The transfer boiling water forces pressurized steam up through pivoting side tubes. The source fire hits a sealed kettle lifted from the ground. The first reaction steam turbine. The first principle of steam engine was created in 1712 in Industrial Revolution, but this invention proves that steam engine was invented in the 1st century. And next invention is self-healing concrete. This kind of concrete made of relict lime clasts, pumice clasts, lava-lithic fragments, and limestones. First step is high temp mix, volcanic ash, volcanic terra, sand, quicklime, and water mixed under extreme heat. Step 2, the bridge. A structural crack forms, moisture seeps into the concrete. Step 3, the cure. Water reacts with intentionally unmixed dissolving lime. A calcium saturated solution flows into the crack, gluing the structure shut. These inventions, this mystery under this invention solved by MIT University professors in 2023. And next invention is mastering time without the sun. This is clock that works perfectly accurate and based on mechanisms of Rome technologies. First, container 1 provides a mathematically constant flow of water into container 2. As the water level rises in container 2, it pushes a buoyant float upward. The rising float drives a pointer dial, marking the time on a physical chart. The seasonal automation. At day's end, excess water triggers a siphon that instantly purges the tank to reset the clock. The spilled water turns a water wheel connected to a gear train. These gears automatically rotate the time chart to perfectly adjust for the changing seasonal length of the sun's path. And next invention was industrial scale, 1500 years early, and it was the structure of water flowing mills that makes flour. The labor force, 30 workers. This type of mills require 30 workers to work, and efficiency 1000 kilogram of flour per worker per day. The total output this type of mills can make 25 tons of flour daily, the world's first industrial scale production line. And last invention is microengineering without a modern machinery, and this is micro lock. Action: insert a microscopic key, turn internal gold mechanism, releases a chain, and this type of lock is at same size with Coca-Cola cap. That means it's very small, and it represents advanced technologies of Romans. And the innovation gap: reaction steam turbine. The first model of reaction steam turbine was created in Roman Empire 1st century, but in modern era it created 1712, and the gap is 1600 years. Next, vending machine. The gap is 1800 years. The automated factories, like the mills to make flour, the gap is 1500 years. Self-healing concrete, the gap is 2000 years. The blueprint of the modern world. Rome is universally remembered for its armies, its emperors, and its marble, but its true legacy is a mechanical, chemical, and industrial blueprint of the modern world, engineered purely with gravity, water, and fire, and genius. Thank you for your attention.